Welcome to your Microsoft PowerPoint learning journey. Today's topic is: how do you apply themes and variants? What is a theme? A theme in Microsoft PowerPoint is a pre-designed set of formatting elements that gives your entire presentation a consistent, professional appearance with a single click. A theme controls the overall design of all slides by combining colors, fonts, effects, layouts, and backgrounds into one coordinated style. Using a theme saves time, maintains consistency, and helps create visually appealing presentations without having to format every slide individually. How to apply a theme? To apply a theme, click the Design tab on the ribbon. In the Themes group, point to a theme to preview how it will look on your presentation. Click the theme you want to use, and PowerPoint will apply it to all slides in your presentation. What does a PowerPoint theme include? A PowerPoint theme includes several coordinated design elements that work together to create a professional presentation. Theme colors: a coordinated color palette for text, shapes, charts, smart art, tables, hyperlinks, and backgrounds. Theme fonts: font pairs for headings and body text that ensure a consistent and readable design. Theme effects: formatting styles for shapes and graphics, including shadows, outlines, bevels, reflections, and fills. Background styles: preset background colors, gradients, textures, or patterns that complement the selected theme. Slide master and layouts: predefined slide layouts, placeholder positions, and default formatting that control the overall structure and appearance of every slide. What are theme variants? Theme variants are alternative versions of the selected PowerPoint theme. They allow you to quickly change the presentation's appearance while keeping the same overall design and slide layouts. Instead of choosing a completely different theme, you can use a variant to create a fresh look with just a few clicks. How to apply a theme variant? After applying a theme, remain on the Design tab. In the Variants group, click the variant you want to use. PowerPoint immediately updates your presentation with the selected combination of colors, fonts, effects, and background styles while keeping the same theme. To see additional customization options, click the More button in the Variants group. From the menu, you can change the colors, fonts, effects, or background styles independently. What can a theme variant change? A theme variant can change one or more of the following design elements. Colors: different coordinated color combinations for your presentation. Fonts: different heading and body font pairs. Effects: different formatting styles for shapes, smart art, charts, diagrams, and graphics. Background styles: different background colors, gradients, or patterns. Using theme variants is a quick and easy way to customize your presentation while maintaining a consistent, professional design. You now know what themes and variants are, what they include, and how to apply them to create professional-looking presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint.